Hi everyone! Today, let's draw and color Peppa Pig on a bike and George Pig driving a racing toy car. Let's begin by drawing Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig loves riding her bike through puddles. Splash, splash! Do you like splashing in puddles too? Peppa Pig is pedaling her bike with a big smile. Can you ride your bike as well as Peppa? Peppa Pig is ringing her bike bell. Ding ding! Have you ever used a bike bell? It's time to color. Pinky, throw some color. Peppa Pig looks so happy on her bike. And now, let's draw and color George Pig on his racing toy car. George Pig is having a blast in his racing toy car. Vroom vroom. Can you make car noises like George? George Pig is steering his racing car around the yard. Zoom, zoom. Can you pretend to drive like George? Peppa Pig and George Pig are having so much fun. Do you like to race with your friends too? It's time to color. Pinky, bring on the color. Peppa on her bike and George in his racing car are having an adventure together. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.